Hi, it's Kevin Lobates here, and today I've got a question for the community of people who watch these videos. What I'm looking for is a tamper-proof database. And of course the immediate thought is, well, why not use a blockchain? But for this particular business case, there is one party that is gathering and recording the data in a database, so it doesn't need to be decentralized in that sense. And secondly, there's only one party, the same party, that is responsible for the data, so there's no need to have some kind of consensus system in order to decide what data gets added next. The only thing that is needed is that at a later date, if a client of the company that's running the database requests an audit to prove that the data hasn't been manipulated or altered, the company needs to be able to do that. Now, I've had a search around on the web because I thought that there must be something like a plugin for MySQL or some kind of module for Microsoft SQL Server or something like that that actually provides this functionality, but I've been unable to find anything like that. And I sort of thought that there would also be a need not just to verify that the whole database has not been tampered with, which you could do by, for example, in MySQL, writing a full dump of the database and then hashing it and storing the dump on a drive somewhere and publishing the hash. The problem there is that it doesn't give enough granularity, in that particular clients would like to check specific data relevant to them, and the centralized holder of the data doesn't want to release all of the client's data to one particular client for them to be able to check that. So it needs to be able to go down to the level of individual tables or even individual rows within tables. So if any of you know of anything like that out there, could you please leave a comment below? I'd very much appreciate it. Failing that, why doesn't this already exist? Anyway, just a shout out to the people watching these videos to see if you can give me a helping hand, and I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.